In this video, I'm going to show you how to show your WhatsApp status to specific people. So to do that, you need to open your WhatsApp, and then you want to go and click on Settings right here. Once you click on Settings, you want to go ahead and click on Privacy right here. So once you get here, you want to go ahead and tap on Status. So once you come to this page right here, you can see mine here is set to share my statuses to my contacts only. So this means that whenever I post a status, it will be only showed to the people that are in my contacts. So if you want to share it with a specific number of people, all you just need to do is to tap on Only Share With. So if you tap on here, you can now choose a specific number of people that you want to share your status with. So basically, if I'm gonna choose the people that I want to share my status with, you just need to go on the contact of the person. Then you just check the box, this box right here, to choose the person. So you can choose as many as you want. So you can keep on going on. Once you're done, just click on Done right here. So basically, every time now when you post a status, it is going only to be shared with the people that you have chose right here.